So probability, correct? So what is meant by this probability thing? So it means chance, basically meaning chance of it happening. Just like what is the probability of us winning a lottery ticket? Correct. What is our chance? So basically what is probability? Chance respectively. Correct. And every time in probability we can see something like P of E. What is E? E stands for event. Probability of an event. So which means that particular event happening or not. For example, marriage, whether it's happening or not. Cricket match, whether it will happen or not. If there is no rain, it will happen. If there is rain, it won't happen. Just like that. So what is P of E? Probability of an event happening. It is equal to number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes to the total number of outcomes. This is one important formula for us to remember. This particular one. Next one, where we always see. So before telling you about the formula, I will take a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the question is, what is the probability of getting the number one? Getting the number one on a single throw of dice. On a single throw of die. Very easy solution for this. So I'll tell you why I'm writing this question and everything. So what is the probability of getting 1 on this? Let E be the event of getting 1. Correct? E be in the event of getting 1. So what is my P of E? P of E is nothing but equal to 1 out of 6. Correct? Suppose the question here is probability of not getting 1. Probability of not getting 1 is the question in the sense. Other than 1, that is E complement I'll take. P of E complement. E dash be the event of. So if you ask me what is this E bar, not getting 1. Not getting the number 1. So what is my P of E bar here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? So 5 out of 6. Correct? So number of favorable outcomes is 5 out of total number of outcomes 6. But if I add P of E plus P of E complement or E dash or whatever it is, what is it? 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6. So this is equal to what? 1 itself. Correct? So which means if I add the probability of an event with its complement, it will be always equal to 1. Is it clear? So the basic idea for me while doing this question is I have to make sure that P of E and P of E complement is equal to 1. Correct? Then I just made a question. What is the question I made of? Probability of getting 1 on a single throw of die. That is 1 by 6. Probability of not getting 1, 5 are there, 5 by 6. So if I add 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6, it will be what? 6 by 6 is equal to 1. That's it. But our important concept in this is what? Which I can have right here. P of E plus P of E complement is equal to 1. So these are the most important thing for us to remember. Then one of the most important topic in probability is about the cards. So totally there are 52 cards, correct? Divided into 4 sections. So which means in each section contains 13 cards. Because 13 fours are 52. Correct? So totally 4. And these 4 are given a name. First one, this symbol. A triangle kind of thing, spade. Something like this they will. Okay, this is spade symbol. Second one, the heart symbol. Third one, diamond. Better, I'll organize it nicely here. So first one I'll give heart. Heart symbol. Then diamond symbol. So these are red color cards and other are black color. Spade. Okay, this is called spade. And the last one, the club. It will be like a tree kind of thing. Those are black cards. So there are 26 red card and 26 black card respectively. And there are 13 hearts. 13 hearts, 13 diamond, 13 spades, 13 club. And each of this heart, everything will contain king, queen, jack, then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and ace. And the one with face, king, queen, and jack has got face. Correct? They got a, so those are called face cards. So how many face cards are there in total? King, queen, and jack will be there in what? Heart, diamond, spade, and club. So 4 into 3, 12. So there are totally 12 face cards in total. So if we have this basic knowledge, we can solve any problem. So once you're done this, let me know. So have you done copying it? Let me know, okay? No, no, no. Okay. Please do it, no problem. So this is king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and ace. Ace stands for ace. So there are totally 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jack, 4 tens, 4 ace respectively. Face. Only this has got face in them. That's all. So these are some of the easy questions for us. Find the probability of getting a head when a coin is tossed once. So obviously in a coin, head and tail. Correct? So probability of getting a coin when tossing is about 1 out of 2 times. That's it. It's a very easy question. This kind of questions you won't get in the examination. A bag contain a black ball, red ball, green ball. Okay, Mo takes out a ball from the bag without looking at the color. If it is red ball, totally how many balls are there? Totally there are 3 balls. If it's red ball, 1 out of 3. If it is a black ball, 1 out of 3. Green ball, 1 out of 3. That's it. And as I told you, if I add all of these things, I should get 1. So there is nothing but checking. P of E plus E complement. In a single throw of dice, find the probability of getting a number greater than 2. Okay. So how to get the number in dice? First write down something called sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is called my what? Sample space. So which means what is the possible outcome? If I throw a dice, 1 can come, 2 can come, 3 can come, 4 can come, 5 can come, and 6 can come. So that is called a sample space. Now a number greater than 2. So number greater than 2 is what? What is my number greater than 2? 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 4. So 4 out of 6. Less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 means only 1 and 2 is there. So 2 out of 6. Not greater than 2. So which means what? Not greater than 2. So this is the not greater than 2. What are the numbers are coming in this? So if it is not greater than 2, then I can have 1. So 1 out of 6. No. The number 2 is greater than or equal to, so it will be 1 out of 6. Correct. So it will be 1 and 2. So it is 2 out of 6 in this. So not greater than 2 means it's actually equal to what? Either it should be less than 2 or equal to 2. Not greater than 2. So 2 out of, so this is an answer same. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So we can just check the answer here. So the last two answers should be 1 by 3 respectively. Correct. The next question, 52 cards, 1 card is drawn. Find the probability that card will be a face card. Face card 12 out of 52. Correct, there are 12 face cards. Not a face card. So which means what? It should be 40 out of 52. That's it. Let's check the answer 2 for this. 12 out of 52 and 40 out of 52. That's it. In a badminton match between Rajesh and Joseph, find the probability of winning Rajesh is 0.58. So if 2 players are playing, so the final answer total for checking should be 1 only. So let E be the event of Rajesh and E complement be the event of what? Not winning of Rajesh. One will be E be the event of Rajesh winning. Rajesh is winning, W, and E complement, Rajesh is losing. Not winning of Rajesh. So winning of Rajesh is what? 0.58. Not winning is what? 1 minus 0.58. Correct? So winning of Joseph is also what? 1 minus 0.58, which means Rajesh not winning means Rajesh losing means winning of Joseph. So answer should be C for both of them. This question. In a single throw of dice, find the product of getting 7. First of all, in dice, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't have a number 7. So it is 0 out of 6. So answer is 0 for the first question. A number less than 7. So 6 out of 6. Any number can come. Correct? So it is 6 out of 6. It is 1. So answer is 0 and 1 respectively. That's all.